Hey friends, if you wish to fix the CRC or Cyclic Redundancy Check error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is a check to scan. Now how would you run this? Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Now in the elevated command prompt window, type the command chkdsk /r /f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And what else can you do? Actually nothing else, because if your system is encountering the cyclic redundancy check error, then it is an issue with the bad sectors of your hard drive, because that is what is cyclic redundancy check. Okay, you can try a check the scan. If it doesn't work, try it again. If it doesn't work, ask your computer manufacturer if it's still in warranty, if some technician could come and help. But if that doesn't work, then what else can you do? You cannot do anything. You can only replace your hard drive, and that's the third solution. Replace your hard drive, and that will fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.